Angelina Jolie's key court victory over Brad Pitt. Angelina Jolie has secured a courtroom win against her ex-husband Brad Pitt in what might be one of Hollywood's most closely watched legal battles over the release of her private communications. On May 5th, a Los Angeles judge ruled in Jolie's favor, denying a motion from Pitt's legal team that sought access to 22 communications tied to the former couple's ongoing dispute over their French winery, Château Miraval. Attorney-client privilege. Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Ciny Pánuco concluded that Pitt's legal team failed to meet the necessary legal standard to override the attorney-client privilege. In the ruling, the judge stated Pitt has not met his burden to demonstrate why the communications should be disclosed. The judge left the door open for future developments, noting that further discovery may yield additional facts, but the current record did not justify granting Pitt access. Pánuco also denied Jolie's request for $33,692.50 in sanctions against Pitt, explaining that his legal argument, while unsuccessful, was not without substantial justification. Jolie's legal team calls ruling a major win. Jolie's attorney, Paul Murphy, emphasized the importance of the decision in a statement, saying, "This is an important victory for Ms. Jolie." He further criticized Pitt's legal strategy, adding, "He was completely out of bounds when he sought access to obviously privileged documents. This is part of Mr. Pitt's pattern of demanding control over anything Angelina, including control over her communications with her own attorneys." Murphy continued, "We are extremely gratified that both the Court of Appeal and the trial court ultimately put a stop to it." Pitt's camp pushes back. A source close to Pitt offered a different perspective. "The judge allowed Pitt's team to revisit the decision as evidence develops," the source said. "It's notable how Jolie has withheld so many documents as privileged. It's just some of the evidence in the case." The ongoing conflict involves Château Miraval, the French winery once co-owned by the former couple. The legal battle began in 2022 when Pitt filed a lawsuit alleging that Jolie sold her stake in the winery without his consent, violating what he claims was a prior agreement. Jolie has consistently denied that such an agreement existed. In response, she filed a countersuit accusing Pitt of waging a vindictive war against her. The dispute intensified when Jolie sold her share to Tenuta del Mondo, part of the Stoli Group, prompting Pitt to seek $35 million in damages. Jolie's attorneys argued at the time, "The burdensome nature of any production is a matter of Mr. Pitt's own creation. He is suing Ms. Jolie for $35 million in damages." The legal tensions between Jolie and Pitt date back nearly a decade. Jolie filed for divorce in 2016 following an alleged private jet incident involving her family. Their divorce was finalized in December 2024, but legal disputes over business interests and custody matters have persisted.